right there. It's $5 each. This is the FDR overlook.
I've been here multiple times. So have I. I have pictures and proof in my camera. Okay, fine. Stop lying.
I have girls.
They're literally on fire right now. They're burning. That's also good.
Oh yeah, definitely got to be on YouTube. This is why I ride by myself most of the time. This is like riding with your mother, but she has two of her. So she can argue with herself all the time. That's definitely going in the video there. Picture of taking a picture. This is going in the video too. This little setup right here was FDR's grill when he was president. He would come right here and they'd grill food and he'd have lunch here and he'd sit out here and do the overlooks. I guess presidents back in the day weren't very busy. All right, this is us riding Jeep in the summer with the doors off. As you can tell, we got some rain. And we are inside of the building. It is a gift shop. This girl who ran because a pet bee flew in a Jeep with us while we were riding. She's right next to it. I've been to that before. And then we are down here right now. We're actually going to go back this way. We're going to stop at Molly Hugger Hill, but Molly don't know that yet. We went to the visitor center. Now we're going to go back east to where we always go. We kind of skipped a lot of this stuff, so we're stopping to look. I'll get out and look at this spot. We are at next location, which is called, what's it called, Molly?
Molly Hugger Hill Park. Wait, not Hill Parking.
Molly Hugger's Hill.
Molly.
And we all hug Molly. This is Molly Hugger Hill. So everybody pull off and hug Molly while you're here.